you can do your HIV test at home, this is the blood test strip. That's to use your blood to check HIV. We did how we can check with oral, using the oral one. Now we'll be using blood. So how can you know your HIV status with the blood? We are going to stay tuned, follow us through, so we'll show you how we do it. So this is the HIV kit. This is cheap now and it's not expensive. You can get it like 4,000 naira in a good pharmacy, or 3k or lesser. So how do you start? You open it. Checking your HIV is very important. Most people will tell you, I don't have a partner. Even if you don't have a partner, you need to check your HIV. You can get HIV even in the barbering salon where you go to do your nails a lot. So you need to know your status. So it's open now. I'm bringing out everything. Everything you need to do the test is actually here. It's self-explanatory, written in Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, English. There is no reason you say you cannot do the test. English, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. So this is the strip here. You open it. This is everything you need for this test. You can see this is the alcohol swab. This is your buffer. This is your buffer solution. This is your plaster. If you have large blood, this is the one you use to bring out the blood from your hand. Bring it out, put here. So this is the puncture. So first thing first, you take this one, you open it. I will use it to clean my hand, because you need to be sure everything is sterilized. You clean your hand first of all. So I didn't show you guys this. This is the test strip. This is for test. This is control. If it's at control, it means you are negative. If it's at test, it means you are positive. This is where you put your sample, your blood, then you give it 5 minutes to read. So that is it. You use it, you clean your hand very well. Yeah, so for this test, I'll be testing my videographer. I will be using him as a mouse. So you clean it, you clean the hand, you come close. This is the puncture. Once you pull it, you get the blood, you can put it here. You understand? So you come close like this. It has punctured. So this is it. This is the blood here. This is the blood here. You use this to get the blood. I'm supposed to use a hand glove for this, but I'm at home and he's my brother. I trust him. I've done this test before. So you use this to get his blood. You put the blood here. Although the blood I got is not really enough, so I can press out for more. So you put the blood here, and once you put the blood here, you now add drops. You add drops of buffer solution. You add drops of buffer solution. You can add 2 drops. And that's okay. We'll give it 5 minutes to read to get the results that we need. So you can see he is negative. If it's at C, it means you are negative. At T, means you are positive. So this one is very okay. This test is very good. It's going to help you, give you the real reading before you have that intercourse. Do that test. Sometimes by it, check yourself, know your status, so you know what you are doing. Very important. So share this video with someone and don't forget to follow for more.